Marhaban, welcome to Dubai Academy. Today we're going to learn exercise 2 from the lesson Al-matbakh, the kitchen, Arabic textbook, Uhibbul Arabiyya, lesson 15. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one, Durj, drawer. Let's repeat, Durj, drawer. The next one, Thallaja, fridge. Let's repeat, Thallaja, fridge. The next one, Kaka, cake. Kaka, cake. The next one, Malaik, spoons. In lesson 12, we've already learned the Arabic word for spoon. Do you remember? Mil'aka, spoon. Malaik, spoons. Let's repeat. Malaik, spoons. The next one, Shauka, fork. Ashwak, forks. Let's repeat. Ashwak, forks. The next one, Sikkin, knife. Sakakin, knives. Let's repeat. Sakakin, knives. The next one, do you remember the Arabic word for plate? Tabak, plate. Atbak, plates. Let's repeat. Atbak, plates. The next one, Koob, glass. Akwab, glasses. Let's repeat. Akwab, glasses. The next one, Raf, rack. Raf, rack. The next one, Haud, wash basin. Haud, wash basin. The next one, Furna, oven. Let's repeat. Furna, oven. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Masalama.